Good afternoon. We want to tell you about the element of sedated helium and demonstrate its effects.
What do you know about helium? Helium is the second element of the periodic table. This element is widely used from the inert gas in processing of metallurgy, which directly interesting us to add to food as an hydrant.
But most often ordinary people don't use it for science, but for their own fun, to make the voice more
subtle.
And today we try to understand what happens to our voice when we inhale some helium. The answer wasn't so difficult as it seems initially.
It is all an environment and local chords are disrupted function, because the sound is a mechanical vibrations in the air, which has the air of frequency, wavelength and speed of vibration.
The last parameter directly depends on the elastic properties of the environment, that is density, which is inversely proportional to molecular weight.
After inhalation of helium, oral cavity is filled with light gas, whose density is 7 times less than the density of air.
In this environment, sound waves propagate at a higher rate, because there is more freedom for the propagation of sound waves.
For comparison, the speed of sound in air is 331 meters in second, helium 965, in hydrogen 1284.
However, size of air levity in the case of the generation remains uncharged, so the wavelengths is the same.
As a result, the resonance frequency also increases with the speed of sound, and its voice is much subtle. That is, we are witnessing the effect of high-pitched voice, like experts say.
But the transition of helium to the air speed of sound decreases, and now the wavelength is also reduced, but the frequency remains the same. For this reason, we hear the same high-pitched sound.
It should take a few deep breaths to get rid of the helium, and the sound of voice immediately restored.
Nevertheless, we wish to warn of the dangers of such entertainment, as helium displaces oxygen from the lungs.
So you can lose consciousness and even get suffocation and even die quickly.
But have fun for the sake of science and good reason.
Thank you for your attention.
Goodbye! Все, красавчики. Subtle.